So in this module, I walked you through Capacitor and I explained how you can use Capacitor to get a real native app that holds your Ionic app for both Android and iOS. You saw how you can easily build your app for Android and iOS and run it on emulators or real devices through Android Studio or Xcode. You also saw that live reload mechanism, and I did mention that I will stick to the web app for now because it's a bit faster and easier to debug. Nonetheless, now we know how to build a web app, we know how to build our native apps, and that already allows us to build apps for free platforms with one and the same code base. And that is just amazing. Now, let's continue with Ionic now and with developing Ionic apps, because now we know how to turn them into what we want them to be. Well, now we can focus on the logic inside the app again.